Okay, let's start. No more long ass intros because I guess you guys know my name. If not, watch my previous video because that is very important before we proceed to this one. So if you know my name, then let's get down to business. So now you have two songs and these two songs are insane BPM, which is like very important condition as of now. Like there are different mixing techniques, different BPM, different stuff, but we will get into that later on. But these are basic stuff. So for the time being, we have two songs. That two songs have the same BPM. Before mixing these two songs, we need to listen to these songs and, figure out its structure like I have explained it in this video. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it.
So here I figured out the structure of both these songs. The first song is known as Carnival and the second song is known as Boompa. And the download link of both these songs are in the description, so do check them out. So the structure of Carnival is like 16 bar intro, 8 bar build up, 16 bar drop, 16 bar breakdown, 8 bar build up, 16 bar drop again, and 16 bar outro. And the structure of Boompa is 16 bar outro. This is the structure of these two songs that I figured out, and I hope you guys know how to figure this out. I have already shown this in one of my previous videos, so if you haven't checked it, the link will be on the top right hand corner. So this is what a DJ will do. That is, he will align the intro of the second song to the outro of the first song. So he will let the first song play completely, then transition from outro to the intro of the second song. Then he will let the second song play completely. Then there will be a third song. Then he will transition from the outro of the second song into the intro of the third song.
Let me show this on Mixer and you will get an idea what a DJ actually does on decks.
So starting from the very basics, let me introduce you to the mixer. So this is the play and pause button. So this is same as the play and pause button in your MP3 player. And now comes the volume fader. And the same is repeated on the right side, that is the play button and the volume fader. For the time being, we just need these two only. So right now the song is at the second half of the drop of the first song. After that, outro will come where we'll mix the intro of the second song like this. This is how a DJ mixes two songs and smoothly transitions from one song to other song. There is much more to it like EQing and other stuff, but this is the core thing and everything that we will do will be on it. So there is no hard and fast rule to mix two songs like this. There are other mixing techniques. For example, I'll show you one more. So now we'll mix the intro of the second song to the drop of the first song like this. So we'll play the first song like the intro, build up, drop. Then we'll, transition to the intro of the second song. Then we'll play the second song like intro, breakdown, build up like that. So this is what a DJ thinks in his mind when he mixes two songs. Let me show this trick on the mixer.
So that's it for the day. This is how a DJ plays music continuously throughout the night. I guess this is pretty simple, right? So in the next video, I'll explain about these decks and about the mixer. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Do click on the video that is appearing on the screen to know more tips and tricks like this.